until we get to the hotel. Huwag ba ba? Maano ako? Oy! Makapiright ako. I'm still on live streaming, please.
Head northeast toward West Shoreline Drive.
Ouch! Ouch. Just a second. Let's see how's the traffic in Idaho. And it's gonna be, let's see here. Oh,
At least ada tayo dito yun.
yeah. We're close to going out.
Kasi bida ganyan nagnagnan niya eh.
Yeah,
Oh,
may
mga
traffic
nagapay.
din tayo. I don't know. Maybe,
Is this open, this road?
I don't know. The car, oh, they're going back this way. I don't know. They're all,
Take the next right onto West Shoreline Drive.
oh, they're going that
Onto
way.
South 13th Street.
Is it open?
Oh, dali. Traffic now, you can't go out. You miss your turn.
Chance.
You miss your chance. Okay, now you can before that guy. Can we please like the live streaming? We're actually here in Idaho. The fireworks just finished. And I don't know how to make this close. Oh. Let's see. Traffic jam. Let's see how traffic they are in here. And Boise, Idaho. Oh. Ho, ho, ho.
Turn left onto South 13th Street.
Basit mo lang yan.
Yeah, their fireworks is not as good as we have back home, but not bad. I thought it's a big city.
It is a big city.
It's a big city, but their fireworks, well, maybe they just celebrated it not much this year. Maybe there's not much money. Okay, just a second, Daddy. Someone's masikugpay ni. Traffic.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto West River Street.
Thanks for all. There's still.
Ang mga daos na lalo pa.
Yeah, for sure. People are on their bike.
At the light, turn right onto West River Street.
Yay! We're out of the traffic. It's not bad actually.
Quarter mile, turn right onto South 9th Street.
Tapos tayo kaagad.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
people are still busy going out. Whoa. Come on. Driving at 11:40 at night. Oh no, 10:40. Mountain time. US Mountain Time. We already passed the Pacific time. Now we're in Mountain
Turn right
Time.
onto South 9th Street.
Later on we'll people are crossing the street. They just finished watching the fireworks. Oh, naglukod to yun. Nabawasan, naging 2 minutes lang dato. Naglukod to ayan. Tanapukaw DJ ko.